Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. There are top reasons one can buy Xiaomi 13 Ultra firstly. This is the only Ultra so far to be promised an international launch. We don't know exactly when or where yet, and it almost certainly won't include the US, but the 13 Ultra will launch outside of China. Secondly, this is also the first Ultra I think people really should consider buying. Not just because of its global availability, but because for once this phone represents a well-rounded feature set. Starting from the design and build, this phone is big, and its camera module feels impossibly even bigger. It's outlandishly, distractingly large, and routinely sparks questions when people spot me using the 13 Ultra. I don't hate the huge camera, but it's certainly a statement. Xiaomi has actually tried to minimize the effect by sloping the back of the body up so that the phone as a whole is thicker around the camera, slightly masking how much it protrudes. Screen and speakers. Given the phone's sheer size, it's no real surprise to see a screen to match it. The 6.73-inch panel here is among the biggest you'll find, making this as well suited to productivity as it is to gaming or streaming movies. Display quality impresses too. Xiaomi has used LTPO OLED display tech, which allows the screen to dynamically scale its refresh rate from a peak of 120 Hz all the way down to 1 Hz. That nets you the benefits of smooth scrolling and animations when needed, and battery boosts from the screen slowing down when it can. Specs and performance. The 13 Ultra is, to no one's surprise, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. At this time, this is the latest and greatest chip you can get in an Android phone, and Xiaomi is outpaced only and very slightly by the custom overclocked version of the same chip found in Samsung's Galaxy S23 line. Paired with up to 1 terabyte of storage and 16 GB of RAM for the phone's Chinese launch, though this may vary when it comes out internationally, the phone really flies. This is a total powerhouse, which can drive the latest Android games or multitask with ease. Camera and video. The camera array is undoubtedly the main reason to buy the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and the area where it has the best claim to trumping its rivals. Funnily enough, it's also the area where the phone shares most in common with the more affordable Xiaomi 13 Pro, but the Ultra takes things up a level or two. Quadruple 50MP rear camera, 1 in main camera sensor with variable aperture, 32MP selfie camera. Battery and charging. One perk of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra's size is that there's space to squeeze in a generous 5,000 mAh battery. Even with all the phone's power, the result is a phone that comfortably lasts a full day, and may make it through 2 though at a push, and only if you're a light user. Strong battery life, 90W wired charging, 50W wireless charging. Software and updates. The phone will ship with Android 13, running Xiaomi's MIUI 14 on top. The Chinese version doesn't include the Google Play Store, making installing most apps frustrating until you can sideload Google onto the device. Trickier than before, this took me about half an hour, especially as you have to keep fighting through apps and notifications in Chinese to get there. Price and availability. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra is only available in China around $870. Xiaomi has promised that the phone will come out internationally in the next few months after its March launch in China. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.